Hello kids, welcome back to my new video. I am Samina. Today we learn the counting 1 to 12 with beautiful colors. Red color, red color heart looks very great. Yellow color, two. Pink color, three. Light green color, four. Light blue color, five. Orange color, six. Dark pink color, seven. Dark green color, eight. Brown color, nine. Dark purple color, ten. Baby pink color, eleven. Dark blue color, twelve. Wow, kids, our beautiful hearts with 8 to 12 counting is ready. I hope you will like this video very much. Subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.